And when I stumbled across these guys, I was like, holy crap, these guys are like the Russian version of Bees for Build.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to check out the channel. If you're new and you're into like car podcasts and just chatting about some of your favorite car YouTubers and anything like that, smash the subscribe button. Love having you here. As the channel grows, everybody that subscribes is one step closer to the channel getting a project car, which I'm aiming to get. And us getting other car YouTubers on here for podcasts for your entertainment. And I love chatting to you guys, and it's just a bit of fun and just my own thoughts on what's going on. So in today's episode, guys, this is a bit different from what I'm usually doing, just because I stumbled across these guys by pure madness. I don't know how I came across these guys. As my subscribers, if you watch me, my favorite is rebuild channels, and then I like vlogging channels, and then I like car review channels. But rebuild channels are my utmost favorite. I love watching them. And when I stumbled across these guys, I was like, holy crap, these guys are like the Russian version of Bees for Build. I couldn't believe when I stumbled across their channel. They have like 17,000 subscribers, but they don't post that much. And I was like, these guys need to post way more and to be really big. And then like as I was watching their videos, they're obviously, because they're in Russia, it's, the way they do their videos, it's a bit difficult. So bear in mind, guys, these because they're in Russia, they don't speak English, so they have a guy doing a voiceover to explain what's going on. And I think it might be just it is sometimes hard to understand what he's saying. So I'm just going to give you an example clip of what's going on, because these guys are doing, they've done some insane stuff. They've taken the Gen 3 Eclipse, used that body to make a replica Gallardo. They're also doing an Eleanor build that is nearly done as well, which is absolutely insane. Again, we'll touch on that after this clip. And now they started from the ground up a Lamborghini Svj Replica build as well. But here's a clip of their channel, just so you can understand the kind of content you'll be getting off them.
List including 3D modelers and designers. So first we'll make a 3D car model. In this case it's Lamborghini Aventador, and cut it into layers. We cut the front, back and side parts vertically and cut the frontal roof racks horizontally. Then we divide all the sliced sheets into parts that correspond to the dimensions of the material from which the part will cut. As a material we used extruded polystyrene foam, the one used it in building insulation. Then with the help of the CNC machine we cut out the parts. After all the parts are cut, we begin to assemble them into one, and we'll get a full-size model of the car from which we remove the matrix and make a fiberglass parts.
So yeah, guys, what do you think? I don't know if for my subscribers or anybody watching this, if it's something you'd be interested in. I like finding these channels and showing them to you, because I love these kind of channels. I find them very interesting in the mechanics and the way they're so skilled and how they come across, and the way they started from the very start, 3D print, and go all the way up through it. If you're bored and need some content to binge on, getting over the fact that the voiceover, it can be a bit difficult sometimes. I mean, it's definitely worth your while going over and checking these guys out. I hope this video will actually blow up and get these guys recognized, because the skill levels these guys have is insane. To be able to do what they do, I mean, they could make their own car company if they probably wanted to. They're unbelievably skilled. I've watched a few of the SVJ already. I've caught up on it. And yeah, I mean, the amount of work and time that they've put into this thing. They have built their own frame from the bottom up, pure skilled. And they've 3D printed the bumper into different pieces and put it together. They then put fiberglass resin into that, and then they've made their mold out of the bumper into that and cut it and gelled it. And it's insane the amount of work these guys put in. I've never seen anything like it apart from Bees for Build. And you know, it's definitely worth checking out. You either like it or you won't. As I said, I subscribe to these guys, and you know, I would like bring them on the channel more, just to show you. Again, if you're bored, guys, it's just me just showing you the channel. I just think it's great to see these kind of things. If us car heads, if you're into rebuild channels, as I said, they're doing an Eleanor build. I think it's nearly done, but it looks like, I haven't watched any of the videos yet, but it does look like it's pretty spot on. Now, here's the thing, guys. I know we've chatted about this, about the whole Eleanor and B's for building it and suit and whatever. I don't know the ins and outs of this. Because they're in Russia, I'm just thinking there now, would they get a cease and desist, or would they get sued? Now, I don't, but this is just a guess on my half. I don't think they could probably maybe try sue them. Like, lawyers in the States could maybe get onto somebody over there in Russia, but because it's Russia, they would probably tell them to fuck off. I don't think they would get anywhere against these guys. Now, I haven't watched the videos, so I do not know if they said the word Eleanor in their build. I'll probably have to go back and start watching them and see if they have. But here's a prime example. But if these guys were in the States and they haven't mentioned the word Eleanor and they did the build, would they still be able to get sued? So that's the question. Again, I don't know if anybody knows what the copyright infringement can be. Is it the exact build, or is saying Eleanor with the build? Not too sure, but these guys have it nearly down to a T. If you're looking for Eleanor content and a build that you missed out on B for build, these are the guys who want to go across and watch it. You know, I'm going to start watching their Eleanor build as well. I only found these guys yesterday. And again, guys, they did build I saw the first video they put up a year ago, taking an MK3 Eclipse and 3D printing and chopping and everything for the Gallardo build. It's insane, and I think these guys will actually make you a replica kit for you. How much it cost, I have no idea. I really haven't really looked into these guys too much, but you know, it's a cool channel. I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. This SVJ replica build is, wow, you just have to watch the videos to see the amount of work they put into how they break it down and how they're putting the kit together. The framework that's involved is just mind-blowing. Like, you know, the work that these Russian guys have put in. This channel needs, the problem with their channel is obviously the voiceover can be a bit difficult, but they're posting like maybe once a month or maybe twice a month, which is not going to get them where they want to go to. If these guys posted even 2-3 times a week, they would really blow up, and hopefully, you know, more people subscribe and put pressure on them to put up more videos. Because again, guys, when you watch the videos, you'll see the level of detail and work that these guys put in, and it was worth making a video, I think, on these guys if you're into this kind of stuff and need something to binge on. So that's it, guys. I didn't want to make this hopefully not too long, and I hopefully it's something that you've enjoyed watching and something that you'll go over to their channel and check them out. Link in the description below. And I just want to make something different today, just to show you these guys. And again, if I come across channels like this that are small, that, you know, that watch the big YouTubers that are into these kind of channels, I'll bring them up once in a while, and hopefully it's something that you like, and and you like this video. So that's everything for today, guys. I don't think I'll have a video out tomorrow. I'll probably have one out Thursday. You know, you have to kind of break up and give yourself a bit of sanity and chill out sometimes. But yeah, I will have one on Thursday. And thanks very much for everybody that's subscribed. And if you're thinking of subscribing, smash the subscribe button, and we shall see you in the next video. So stay safe, peace out, and bye.